This is a brand new 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, cooled seats, a DVD player, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, an anti-lock braking system, a rear parking aid, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.